Always remember, God will give you direction about your situation, not confusion. God knows the right time, the right place, the right person, and the right answer to your prayers. Trust Him. Every time, I don't know how I'm going to make it, God shows up. Although prayers don't always get answered the way I want them to, God always delivers what I need. Be patient and trust God. Someday you will finally say, God, this is what I prayed for. Thank you.